it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit LatoyaDillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. So today I am taking you to Colvin Park, a brand new single family home community in Rock Hill, South Carolina that you definitely want to have on your radar. Now, Colvin Park is perfectly situated just 8 minutes from downtown Rock Hill and about 35 minutes to Uptown Charlotte. Plus, with easy access to I-77, your commute is simple. Whether you're heading to work, going into the city, or just out exploring everything the Carolinas have to offer. Pricing starts in the high 300,000s, but can go up into the 500,000s, just depending on the floor plan you select, the upgrades, and the customization you choose. The community will feature 226 home sites, all with semi-custom single-family homes, 2-car garages, and access to a full design studio experience. So guys, you can truly personalize your home and make it your own. Now, when it comes to floor plans, you've got options. Homes range from about 1,400 square feet to over 4,500 square feet, offering up to 6 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms. So whether you're looking for a cozy rent style home or a spacious 2-story layout for a growing family, True Homes has something for you. You've got flexibility here, and that's one of the biggest advantages of buying in a community like Colvin Park. And speaking of advantages, when you have the right representation, you can unlock even more value. So when you choose me as your agent, you also have access to exclusive incentives. Now, the HOA is approximately $550 per year, and the community is planned to include a dog park and 2 pickleball courts, giving you built-in outdoor spaces to relax, stay active, and connect with your neighbors. Now, today we're going to be walking through the Declan floor plan. And if you love rent style living with flexibility, you are going to want to see this one. The Declan ranges from about 1,686 to over 2,500 square feet, offering 2 to 4 bedrooms and 2 to 3 bathrooms. So it works whether you're downsizing, upsizing, or somewhere in between. So as soon as you walk in, you're welcomed by bedrooms 2 and 3, along with a full bathroom, perfect for guests, kids, or even a home office setup. From there, you pass through a spacious dining area that opens right into the heart of the home. And let me tell you, this kitchen, it features an oversized L-shaped layout with one of the largest kitchen islands you'll probably see. Perfect for entertaining, meal prep, or just gathering with your family. And it all overlooks a huge great room with the option to add a fireplace to really elevate the space. Now, let's talk about the primary suite. It's tucked away for privacy and features a spacious bedroom, a large primary bathroom, and a walk-in closet that gives you plenty of room to get organized. But here's where it gets even better. If you need more space, you have the option to add a second floor bonus area, which could include a bonus room, an additional bedroom, and even another bathroom. So whether your needs change over time or you just want extra flexibility, the Declan can grow with you. And of course, with True Homes customization options, you can really tailor this home to fit your lifestyle and make it uniquely yours. So overall, if you're looking for modern living, flexible layouts, and a location that keeps you connected, Colvin Park is definitely a community worth considering. If you want more information about this community or any other community in the area, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this tour, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think about this model. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.